Stick around to see how we made this adorable unicorn plate in about 5 minutes that your kids will just adore. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, I'm Cheryl and I am the activity author, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, stick around, and hit that like button so that I know that you love this video so I can give you more content like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So real quick, I wanted to jump on here and tell you guys that you do not have to use ribbon string if you don't have any. I just happen to have some lying around the house from, I don't know, a birthday party or something. But you guys can use rainbow yarn. You can use curly ribbon yarn, anything you have around the house. Just look around and see what you guys got and make it work for you. You're making the unicorn's mane. So keep watching as we finish up. All right, so we are all done, guys, and didn't that turn out great? Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment if you love this craft, because I want to hear from you. Also, make sure you guys come back and check tomorrow because we are doing a different craft every single day. You know, it's a craft month, okay? So come back and check on us and click that card up top to see more videos from yours truly. I'll see you tomorrow.